Welcome my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about Depex capsule, side effects and benefits of Depex capsule. Depex capsule is a prescription medicine that is used to treat depression, major depressive disorder in adults and children of 8 to 18 years. This medicine works by increasing the level of natural substance in the brain, and Depex capsule used to treat mental illness with uncontrollable thoughts, repetitive behavior known as obsessive compulsive disorder in adults and children, to treat serious eating disorder, bulimia, to treat panic disorder with or without fear of place and situations, and to relieve symptoms of paramental disorder including a mood swings, bloating, and breast tenderness. Depex capsule may also be used along with other medicine in the treatment of certain condition as recommended by the doctor. It is used to treat episodes of depression in people with bipolar disorder. A medicine comprehensive selective serotonin reuptake. Depex belong to selective reuptake inhibitor, a class of medicine. Selective serotonin reuptake inhibitor are a group of medicine used to treat depression and anxiety disorder. Serotonin in the natural decimal chemical the crimes signals between brain cells block the reabsorption of serotonin. How to use? Read the direction on the product label. Without food, a Depex capsule is consumed, usually taken once a day in the morning or twice a day in the morning and at noon. The typical dose of Depex is 20-60 mg day in the morning. The capsule use dose for children 20-60 mg, the maximum adult dose of Depex. This medicine is known as habit. You should continue to this medicine directed by the doctor, even feel as well. Depex capsules side effects. Children and young adults with depression or other disorder are at increased risk when using Depex. These patients may experience worsening of the depression and decreases height, weight gain, and are at an increased risk of suicide-related behavior and historical predominantral aggression and anger when using Depex. Symptoms occurring in the patient during Depex therapy are allegations, panic attacks, aggressive without thinking. Depex should be prescribed at the lowest effective dose to reduce the risk of overdose. Depex should not be used in children less than 7 years. Thank you for watching my video.